how to fix Roblox connection error on mobile. So here's what you want to do. Go into your iPhone settings and just search for iPhone storage here. Type iPhone storage and click on this option that pops up. Now we will sort the applications by name, and you just want to scroll down, click on show all until you see R for Roblox. So here you just want to find the Roblox application and offload it. Once you have it offloaded, you will then reinstall it. Give it some time here to reinstall. This is not going to sign you out of your account or anything like that. Just give it some time to reinstall and this should fix the issue. If it still doesn't work, one more thing that I can suggest doing is checking your internet connection. If you're using mobile data, try switching over to a Wi-Fi connection. And if you're using Wi-Fi, try switching over to mobile data and see if that fixes it for you. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.